Welcome to e-learning skills, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add cards to your YouTube channel or to your videos. If it doesn't have the YouTube Creator Studio app, all you just need to do, you need to open your Google Chrome and then you need to type there YouTube dashboard. This is going to bring you into the YouTube dashboard where you're going to edit your video. So after clicking on the YouTube, then you're just going to wait it to load for a few seconds. So how to add cards to your video? For example, if I want to add cards to the first video, all I just need to do, I will click on the video, click on the pencil icon, then this is going to open all the details about the video. Then as you see here where it is written cards, you need to click on the cards, and then it is going to open the option for adding cards. So in this option we have variety of options that we are going to use. For example, the first one, you can add a video. As you can see here, it is written, you can add a video. And then we have playlist, we have channel, and also link. So the first one, for example, if I need to add a video to a card in form of a video, I will click the plus button. Then I'm going to choose any of the video that I'm going to add as a card. I can choose maybe this one. I will select the third one, and then that is going to be added there automatically at that time when it reaches at 4 minutes. Then if I need to add another one, I can set the time where I need, let me say a little bit earlier, and then I'm going to click also add card, click on the video. Then I can choose also another video that is going to be added there as a card. I can choose this video here, and also it is going to be added. So you can add at least 2 to 3 cards into your video. I will click again, add video, then I'm going to choose one of the videos to be added as a card. So that is it. If I need to add a playlist, I can click that. I can click playlist, then I can choose from one of my playlist and add, or I can leave that one. If I want to add, let's say for example a channel, I want to promote a channel, I can search for the channel and add it there so that the people may subscribe to my to that channel or promote that user. So this is how you can add cards, and as you can see guys, this is how, when you see here how they appear at the top bottom right corner at your video when the video plays, and also when you look down your videos, you will see they have been aligned there. Instead of adding links into your videos, it is recommended you can add cards, because cards, they appear much more impressive than the links. Then you need to click on the save button. After clicking on the save button, then the changes are going to be applied to your video. So this is how you can add cards to your YouTube channel or to your videos. So thank you so much. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.